Welcome back to this session where I will be showing you how to log in to your Transit wallet account and how to fund your wallet, then lastly how to buy data and airtime on this account. So the first thing you do is to visit the transit.com.ng website. So visit the website. On the home page of the website, you will find the option to log in. Then you click on the login option. Then this is the login page where you are required to enter your username and password. So you do that and click on login. So it is already authenticating and login successful. So I will automatically be directed to the account dashboard immediately. So this is the account dashboard showing, as you can see, my dashboard. So when you scroll down here, this is where you can see your main wallet, Airtime to cash wallet and the bonus wallet. Then down below here you will see the different services you have access to. Maybe you want to buy data or airtime or convert airtime to cash or whatever. So the next thing I'll be showing now is how to fund your wallet. Once you get to your account dashboard, you will find these different account details here for you to fund your wallet. So I said in the previous lesson, I always recommend to make use of the MoneyPoint account number to fund your wallet. So click on the MoneyPoint and it will bring out a personalized account number for you to send your money to. So this is the account number and this is the bank name it's going to show. So in order to fund your wallet, you are expected to send money, whatever amount you have in mind to fund, be it 500 naira, be it 1000 naira or whatever. So you send the amount to this account number and you select MoneyPoint as the bank, then it will bring out this name as the account number. And once you send the money will automatically appear in your balance as soon as possible. So as I already have some amount on my balance, then I will go ahead to show you how to buy data and airtime. So in order to do that, still on this dashboard, you just scroll down to where you have all of this. So this is the option to fund wallet. We have done that already. This is the option to buy airtime. This is the option to buy data, and this is where you are to convert airtime to cash. So in our next lesson we'll be covering this, but for this video this is the two things we'll be covering. So the first thing, let's go for airtime top up. So I have clicked on it and it will direct me to the page. So on this page, this is where you can purchase airtime. So by purchasing your airtime, firstly you just have to fill these three spaces. So the first thing is to select the network you want to buy. So this is MTN VTU, and when they say VTU, that is virtual top up. So this means the MTN, any airtime you are buying here will be sent to your SIM card line balance directly. It is not like the normal pin you usually buy to load *311. No, this will be sent to your account directly. So here the VTU is 1% off. That means if you are buying a 100 naira airtime, they will give you a 1% bonus. And this is MTN SNS. This means share and sell. SNS means share and sell. So this is 3% off. That is, any airtime you are buying under this category attract 3% bonus that will be given to you. So the same thing with, you have MTN AWOF here. This is the type of airtime you buy, and maybe you want to convert your 100 naira to maybe 400. That's why they call it AWOF. So things like that. But as you can see, it is not selectable, so this service is not available. But all of these that we can select are the available services presently. So Glo, Airtel and 9 Mobile, whichever one you want to buy, select. So I'm selecting MTN VTU for instance, and then here you input the amount you want to buy. So any amount you want to buy, just input the amount correctly, and you want to be careful with your zeros not to buy more than what you want. Then the next thing is to input the phone number you want to buy the airtime on. So if this is the phone number I want to send the airtime to, then the next thing is to click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, it will ask you there, it will show your username, and then it's telling you to confirm if you really want to buy MTN 100 naira to this phone number. If you are sure, click on OK. If you are not, then you can click on cancel. Maybe the phone number is not correct, you want to change the phone number, you can click on cancel and it take you back, correct the number and proceed again. So since this number is correct, I will click on OK. So it is loading and I'm waiting for a confirmation message. Now you can see the airtime has been recharged directly to my account immediately. Then I'll click on cancel and let's see the confirmation message it will show on the portal. So this is successful, the transaction is successful. Click on OK. So on this page you have four options here. This is the transaction receipt, like to see the receipt of the transaction you just made now, the airtime purchase you just made. And this is if you still have more airtime to buy. If you click here, it will take you back to the purchase airtime page so that you can buy another airtime again. And here is to check history on your account. On every account there usually be history, that is a record of all transactions you have done. So firstly, I want to show you these two aspects. So I will be opening them in a new tab, and by doing that is, can I long press on the tab and click on opening new tab. So I've done that, and the second one to check history, open in new tab. So I want to scroll to the new tabs I just opened. I think, okay, the first one is the receipt. So this is the receipt. Is this the correct receipt? Okay, this is the transaction history. So in this transaction history, this is where you will see the description of whatever you do, the airtime purchase, the response, which is transaction successful, and the status, if it is successful or it is a failed transaction, you will see them there. Then here is the amount you are being charged. So you bought 100 naira airtime and you are being charged 99 naira, so it means you have a 1 naira bonus. And this is your balance before buying, and this is your balance after buying. Then this is the transaction ID and the time and date you carry out this transaction. So I have clicked here to maybe show the receipt of this transaction if possible. So this is the receipt. This is the receipt of the transaction, and you will see the detail of the transaction there. So having shown you all this, then I'll be going back to the account dashboard. I'll click here to return to the dashboard. So the next thing is to show you how to buy data on this platform. So once you get to your account dashboard, then you scroll down again. You scroll down to where you see the option to buy data. Open it. It will take you to the page to buy data, just like we have for the airtime. Now on this page you have three boxes to fill as well. So the first thing is to select network, the second one is to select the bundle you want, and the last is to input the phone number you want to buy airtime to or data to. So I'm selecting for network, and under this network we have different kinds. So for MTN, you can see we have about three options here. These two are selectable and this one are not available. Then for Glo we have two options. For Airtel we have two options as well. For 9mobile we have two options. So the reason we are having this is we have the one called SME, small medium enterprise data, and we have this MTN gifting. This MTN gifting is not different from the normal data we usually buy on our MTN SIM. That is when you buy airtime and you are trying to use that airtime to buy data. You know, on this platform you are putting money, a fund, directly from your bank to this wallet. So you are using that money directly to buy data. We are not using airtime to buy data. So for MTN SME plans, you will realize that they are cheaper to buy than the MTN gifting. So under MTN SME, we can see 500 MB as low as 420 naira. 420 naira. 1 gig for as low as 650 naira. 2 gig for as low as 13. 3 gig for as low as 1950. 5 gig and for 3250. So now let's check for the MTN gifting plans and let's see the price. So on this MTN gifting plans, we have 1 gig for as low as 490. Here 1.5 gig for as low as 588. Then for 2 gig we have 735. All of these prices, but this is something I will want to draw your attention to. So here you need to be sure of the kind of data service you are buying. So you will think 1 gig here is cheaper than the SME 490 compared with 650, but the difference is very clear. This one can only last for a day. This is 1 day, as you can see. 1 day, 2 day, 2 day, 2 day, 1 day. But for the SME plans, they all last for 30 days. Let's select for the SME plans and see the prices we have there. So for the prices we have here for SME, as we can see, up to 30 days all. 7 to 30 days, 30 days, 30 days, 30 days. So you want to be sure of the kind of bundle you are buying. So when you select, if it is for this network you want to buy MTN 1 gig for 30 days, then lastly here you input the phone number you want to buy the data on. So let's check for the other networks. For Glo service, let's see the amounts there. So these are the amounts you can buy your Glo. Glo still maintain to be the cheapest data up till now. So these are the prices for the service, and if you check for Airtel too, you will surely see their prices. So let's say I want to buy on this line, and let's say I want to buy for 5 gig. Then the 5 gig will cost me 3,250. Then I am putting the number. So if this line is correct, if the number is correct, then you click on proceed. Clicking on proceed, and you have found that this phone number is correct, then you go ahead and click on OK to purchase this data. So now I am having this error message as insufficient wallet, means I am trying to buy the data and the data amount that is more than the amount I have in my balance. So I have just 1000 naira plus on their account, and I'm trying to buy the data of 3000 plus. So this platform has these features to also check and balance your check your balance, compare with whatever you want to buy. So if you don't have the amount, you won't be able to buy it. So that will be the end of this video, and I've been able to show you firstly how to log into your account by visiting the website and inputting your account username and password. And once you get to your dashboard, you have the option to fund your wallet, and I have recommend to make use of MoneyPoint account to fund your wallet. Then lastly, to buy airtime and data. So see you in the next lesson.